With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here is, broken arms are regenerated in echinoderms, mollusks, human beings, or in fishes. So the formation of new part of body which is lost due to accident, injury is called restorative regeneration, right? And regeneration, sorry, not restoration, it's regeneration of broken arms is called restorative regeneration, right? That means it occurs in, it doesn't mean that where it occurs. Generally it occurs in echinoderms, right? That is option number 1.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.